Hi guys, I'm Soumya and I'm back again with another video. I hope you're all well and safe. If you are an old subscriber, then welcome back. But if you are new to this channel, then I make a lot of bookish content. So if you are a book lover or would like to become one, then do hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So in today's video, I want to talk about a book that I had been meaning to read for quite some time, and I talked about this book in the beginning of 2021 as well. And this book is Atomic Habits by James Clear. So I'm very happy to say that I finally read it, and in today's video, I want to share my experience. I read this book as an ebook. Atomic Habits by James Clear talks about starting small and building small habits, and how if you build these small habits, over the years they will compound into big positive changes. This book basically talks about starting small and taking baby steps, and it is a manual. It talks about how you can build habits on a step-by-step basis. This book talks about 4 laws to build good habits. The first law is that you should make it obvious. The second law is that you should make it attractive. The third law is that you should make it easy. And the fourth law is that you should make it satisfying. So this book elaborates on these 4 laws through various chapters, and each chapter has a chapter summary as well, so that you can understand what all you learned from that chapter. Something that is very important in a self-help book, because it often turns into an overload of information, so a helpful summary always works. My experience of reading Atomic Habits by James Clear was absolutely wonderful. In fact, I'm so glad that I finally read this book. It was one of my best reads of 2021, and let me say, this book totally deserves all the hype that surrounds it. As far as I'm concerned, Atomic Habits is a breezy and an easy read, and that is really saying something, considering the genre of this book is self-help non-fiction. And this book calls itself an operating manual to help people build good habits. But the word operating manual makes it sound like something really mechanic and robotic, and that's really not the case with Atomic Habits. In fact, it really touches upon the psychological aspects of building habits as well, which is what makes Atomic Habits really stand out. Obviously, this is a self-help book, so it does adopt a preachy tone, but the way it touches upon the psychological aspects of building habits, that preachy tone does not make it overbearing. And in fact, this book is very practical and relatable to read because of that. Every technique, everything that this book suggests seems very easy, because that is the basic purpose of this book, to help you build good habits. It has been written in a way to make everything seem doable. That's the entire vibe of this book, which is why I really liked reading it. This book presents the knowledge that we already have in a manner that makes it convincing, is what makes this book a worthwhile read. The thing is, this book talks about compounding, how compounding doesn't only apply to interest and money, it can also apply to habits, both good and bad. Like, it talks about how when you start a good habit and initially it doesn't give you any good result, you drop it, and how when you start a bad habit, it doesn't lead to anything bad initially, so you continue doing it. So initially nothing happens, and we really only focus on the initial results. Small good habits compound into something very, very positive over the years. Small bad habits end up compounding into something terrible over the years. So this is a life-changing concept, and we know it, but we have sort of forgotten about it. A lot of people have forgotten about it, and the way this book explains it in terms of compounding, which is something so relevant in today's time, makes a very big impact on the reader. A very big reason to read Atomic Habits by James Clear is that it talks about the concept of delayed gratification and being patient. This is something that most of us, or maybe even all of us, need to learn and appreciate, because we are all very used to instant gratification, and as a result of that, most of the people are quite impatient in these times. So the way Atomic Habits talk about delayed gratification is in relation to habits, but it can also help you gain a larger understanding of the concept of delayed gratification and being patient. So I feel in that way this book serves something much bigger than just talking about building habits. Also, I genuinely feel that Atomic Habits is one of those books that you can derive some actual practical use from, because the concept of this book is to start small, so the techniques that it suggests are very easy and doable, as I mentioned before. And as this book even talks about this, that when something is easier, we are more likely to do that. So the techniques that this book suggests are quite easy to follow, so you are more likely to adopt them, and they are more likely to translate into your reality. So Atomic Habits is definitely a motivating read read, but it does not motivate you in a forceful way. It motivates you in a gentle way by nudging you to do better by starting small. That is the entire concept of this book, which I absolutely loved. So if you haven't checked this book out, I feel you should, because of the reasons I mentioned. It's going to be a great read for you. So if you want to check this book out, I'll leave the link for that in the description box. So that was the video for today, guys. I talked about my experience of reading Atomic Habits by James Clear. I hope you liked this video. If you want to connect with me on my social media, the links are in the description box. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.